Up for sale, 1971 Chevelle. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 Chevelle, finished in factory corrected sunflower yellow with black interior. Sort of like a 2.5 owner car. I have some nice original paperwork for the car. The car was just restored on top of it all. And of course, I'm going to give you all the details as I go around it. You know, there's nothing to point out, honestly. And yeah, we'll start here in the front. We're gonna, fire it up, drive it, as always. Just in the last year, paint, chrome, trim, bezels, tires, rims, moldings around the window, weather stripping, hood hinges, door hinges, bumper in the back, exhaust. And that's just exterior. The paint is beautiful. I mean, really just a beautiful, beautiful car. The correct colors as well. It was bought by a lady in 1971. I have the Protecto plate for it, original bill of sale, a couple other documents from the selling. Oh, I gotta answer this phone call. Anyway, where was I? That was the guy buying my Studebaker. I kind of forgot. I didn't rewatch it, but the fitment of it is nice. Look at the nose, how this lines up on both sides here, all the way down. The paint is like, I can't get over how straight the body is, how shiny it is. I mean, this is what, awesome new paint looks like. Anyway, in addition to the work that was done, exterior-wise, which is pretty much everything, mechanical-wise, let me pop the hood for you. .350 roller motor. The engine was in the car when the gentleman got it. He dismantled it all, inspected everything. It was, he said it wasn't used a lot. It's like I said, roller motor. They showed very light wear. He put a new aluminum radiator in it, new water pump, new Holley carburetor, new intake on there. He detailed it all, put new gaskets on everything, put it back together. Again, fantastic. I mean, the batteries probably new. I mean, all this paint in here is super nice as well. Firewall, power front disc brakes, a little billet-looking power steering pump down there, headers, thrush, mufflers with the dual stainless steel exhaust. Get away from me. Trim tag is in place with the code 52 on there. And again, look at the quality here with the bolts the way they are, the rubber the way they are. It wasn't just shot over, if that makes sense. The hood hinges are black. Again, those are new. New hood insulation. The hood painted very nicely as well underneath. Turnkey, fires right up. Exactly what you're expecting it to be. Automatic transmission with a shift kit. Not a shift kit, a stall, so it's a little long and low. And I just want to see what I can make out here. Looks like a turbo 350 trans. I haven't put it on the lift yet because I got a limited window before the rain comes back. Again, I said the tires and rims are new. I mean, there's more detail than there is anything to point out on the car. I mean, the fitment down to the rocker all the way back. And again, I always talk about it. This line here on the Chevelle, sometimes skimped out. That's nice. That is super nice. The door fitment is exactly the way you want it to be. The glass is mint, which is tinted glass, new. There's a little folder of paperwork. And again, new weather stripping, new bolt. This is new. This is new. They didn't just, they put the tabs in. Almost like a Z-bar tab, actually. Look at the finish in here, how shiny that is. That's fantastic. New. And look at that, how nice that is in there. Another idea, black door hinges. Again, the doors were off, painted, new hinges put on, so they didn't just shoot yellow in there. Quality job. He didn't do the interior, but the interior is, I would say, still very nice. Door panel looks fantastic. You see there, armrest looks nice. Maybe little odds and ends he might have thrown in. Carpet's really nice, clean. The bench seat in the front is the only thing on the interior that I would say to bring it to just really amazing, as I would do the seat cover. Because there's a little rip on the seam here, another one there. But let me show you the back seat. Back seat looks great. Door panels do as well. Sail panels, working dome light with the seatbelt still up there. Headliners mint, visors. Oh, I'm getting sick of listening to myself talk. Right steering wheel, dash looks nice. He said there was a tack up there. He took it out, so there's 2 little holes, but there's no cracks in it, if that makes sense. Granted, there's only 2 gauges. They all work. Yeah, I'm just taking a break here, thinking. Grab the key. I actually think these are the original keys. It was bought by the lady. The lady passed away, and then the son inherited the car. That's what I'm saying, like owner and a half. And then the owner that bought it, out of therapy, restored it. Let me just get this out of here. This is your protection plan with the Protecto plate. I did take pictures of this, by the way, but I always like to go through it. This is the vehicle inspection, I guess before they sell it. Highway safety, little document there. I would say this is the bill of sale. They traded in a 64 Buick, 4200. Sport coupe, sunflower yellow. I always eat this paperwork up. And then another one along those same lines. This is the tax return that we submit to the state in the state of Illinois. Basically price, stuff like that, who sold it. Anyway, so of course all of that goes with the car. Second set of keys in there too. Speaking of which, what did I just do with the keys I had? Your finish all around there is exactly how you want it to be. Finish around the window with the new. I mean, they installed this perfectly. There's not a mark on this edge. There's not a ripple in it. Like, you know, maybe you got to work it in. No, it pops right in. That's just at least how it looks to me. New bumper on the back. And again, the paint there new. Fitment on the lid is exactly how you want it to be. Again, the trunk compartment was also restored. I don't have pockets. Beautiful spatter paint in here. Spare jack. Tire iron. He even painted these. You know, attention to detail. New weather stripping in here. Beautiful finish as well. Not skimped out on, if that makes sense. As well under here too. And another thing I'm noticing, you know, new bolts. They didn't just shoot over them. Put the little tabs in all around. Attention to detail. And I haven't actually looked. I really can't determine if they're the original quarters. They very well could be. He showed me pictures prior to the restoration, and it looked like a solid-ass, pardon my French, car. So I do believe that they're... See, new weather stripping. Oh, and I wanted to show one other thing. Oh, no, it was on the hood. Even that's new, where the hood locks into. Super straight. New wheel well moldings, of course. Trim around is new. Again, you get that same finish down there, which is fantastic. Going forward. Oh, ow. My foot. This finish here is super nice. This is new. But anyway, it will be up for sale later today on the website nextgenclassiccars.com at eBay. Look at that door jam. Gorgeous. 71 Chevelle, finished in factory colors. 2.5, maybe 3 owner car, depending on how you want to look at it. Lots of recent work done to it. And I'm sure there's even more that I'm not mentioning. But again, everything that I do know, I might have forgotten, will also be in the ad. It's a combination of the two. Again, look at that fitment there all the way down. But thank you for watching. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it and drink some coffee. I'm ready when you are. Also, there's a 12-bolt rear in it. Forgot to mention that. And the reverse lights work. Wow.
Car.
Oh, I love this car. Nice.
Brakes feel great.
Nice indicator sound.
Yep.
Ding. Ding.
You know you're tuned.
Yep.
Gorgeous sound.
It's got the right sound. It's not too loud. It's not too little. It's nice. It's got like a performance feeling to it.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt your eardrums.
I think my Deuce is louder. I also drive around flooring it the whole time. With the Dynaglide 1-speed. Go to the right. Go to the right. Yeah. We gotta pull this on the lift after.
Yeah.
Yeah, just making sure. 12-bolt posi, 350 roller motor, stall converter, double pumper,
Can't go wrong with that heli.
protecto plate. Oh, not through the puddle. Don't go through the puddle, I'll kill you.
Sorry, man.
It's too clean.